Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial we'll show you how to view all of your subscribed YouTube channels on your mobile device, whether you are on Android or your iPhone. So let's just get started without any delay and make sure to like and subscribe the video. So what you can do is you can open up the YouTube application. For that, go ahead and access it up and make sure you are logged in into the correct Google account. Now, all you gotta do is once you are here on the bottom of your home screen, you can tap on the subscriptions option from your dashboard right beside the plus icon. And when you tap on it, that will show you the latest videos from your subscribed channels. So here you will be finding all of your subscription and the latest video from the subscribed channel. What you can do is at the top of the screen, you can swipe across different channels available and look for the option that says all. Now, once you open it up here, you will be finding all of your channel that you can see. Here you will be seeing a full alphabetical list of all the channels that you're subscribed to. You can scroll through the options and search or tap on any channel that you wish to view the content from. You can even customize it, like you can tap on most relevant option right here. And from here, you can just go ahead and select how you'd like to view it. You can tap on new activity, A to Z, etc. and look out how you would like to view it. And here you can tap on the three dot at the top right corner, look out for settings, etc. as well. And that is it for now. If you'd like to unsubscribe, you can tap on the bell icon right beside it, tap on it, and you will be finding an option to disable the notifications or tap on unsubscribe if you'd like to unsubscribe it. And that is how you exactly find and manage all of your YouTube subscriptions on your device. And that's it. So if this video helped you, don't forget to give this video a like and comment below with any of the questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Hit the bell so you never miss a video.